Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming essentials and clearing immediate app state. First, check your Android and MIUI version so you know compatibility. This matters for later updates. Once done, back up any important data and enable developer options if you'll need advanced steps. Next, go to Settings app's Google Play services. Force stop it, then clear cache and clear data to remove corrupted state. These actions often restore basic functionality and prepare the system for deeper fixes. Now proceed into the middle fixes where the core issues usually live. If clearing data didn't hold, uninstall Google Play Services updates from the app page, then reinstall the latest stable version via Play Store or a reputable APK matching your CPU and Android version. Make sure you grant all required permissions: storage, location, phone, and background access, because missing permissions can crash the service. Also update Google Play Store, Google Services Framework, and WebView to ensure dependency compatibility and reduce version conflicts. Finish by consolidating fixes and using recovery tools if needed. If the problem persists, remove your Google account, then perform a factory reset only after you've backed up everything. This clears persistent configuration errors. Before wiping data, try wiping the cache partition from recovery to remove leftover system caches. Make sure to reinstall your account and updates after reboot. If things still fail, boot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app is causing the crash. If Play Services works there, uninstall recent apps until the issue is gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.